Friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. So we have another question, and this question is little tricky. And the question says an object is traveling with velocity 5 meter per second. The object then accelerates to 15 meter per second in the same direction. What is the variation of time of acceleration of the object? So there is some object which was moving in the same direction, and the u is 5 meter per second, and then it accelerates in between, and the final velocity becomes 15 meter per second. So we have to now see the AT graph. We have to depict which AT graph is the right graph. So for this question, first of all, we have to see that which graph depicts the right activity. So first of all, understand what's happening in this question. So we will make a diagram for VT. VT graph. So first of all, it says that the car is moving with the object is moving with 5 meter per second velocity, and then it accelerates and it goes to 15 meter per second speed, and then it goes directly. Okay. So first of all, we have to make a graph parallel to VT. So AT graph we will make another graph. So here the velocity is same, velocity is 5, but velocity is not changing. So the acceleration will be 0. Acceleration will be 0. And at this time, like t1 to t2, the velocity is increasing, so there is some acceleration. We can mark it here. We don't know what is the acceleration. And then the velocity remains the same, so the acceleration is 0. So we know that this is the graph. So we can see in the options, like we have two options for this, C and D. So both could be right. So we have to see which one from the C or D is the right option. So for this, we have to calculate the acceleration. What would be the acceleration if a body changes its velocity from 5 meter per second to 15 meter per second? So for this, for the calculation, we all know that we will use the first Watt equation. V equal to U plus AT, V minus U, just wait, V minus U divided by T equals to A. So from graph we will calculate, we will see T. In both of the graphs, the time taken is 4 and 2. So it will become 4 minus 2, that is 2 seconds. And the velocity is 15 minus 10 divided by 2 equals to A. That is 5, yes, 15 and 5. Sorry. It will become 10 by 2. So we will cut down by this. It will become 5 meter per second square. So the acceleration is 5. So in this graph, D graph, it says 5. And in C graph, it says 10. So our answer would be the D option. D option will be the right option because the graph, the pattern of the graph is same, and the value of acceleration, that is 5, it is coming in the D option. So now we will check the mark scheme. Yes, D option is the right option. Thank you for watching this video. If you have some doubts, you can just WhatsApp me on this number, and I'll be very happy to solve all your doubts.